So today I will walk you through the home and give you a virtual tour, and as I'm doing that, our co-host and listing specialist Lori Mikowski will be here with me also in the background, making sure that all of your questions are answered. So if you have any questions, certainly put them in the comment section and we'll make sure we have no questions unanswered by the time we get done here. So I want to tell you a little bit about the house before we get started. This is 220 Islesbrook Parkway. This home has 5 bedrooms and 4 full baths. Plus, it also has a huge sunroom and a huge bonus room and a flex room that the previous owners used as an office. But it's a flex space that can be used lots of different ways. So there's tons of space here. It's a total of 3767 square feet and it is listed at $518. We are in a community called Durbin Crossing. If you're not familiar with it, it's located in St. Johns County, which is where all of the fantastic A-rated schools are located. Hi Katie, thanks for joining. So if you're not familiar again with St. Johns County, we got the best schools in town here, so you don't have to put your kids in private school if you don't want to. And this particular community has amazing amenities, which we'll talk about as we get going on the tour. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and flip the camera around and let you see the home as we go through. All right. So this is the front of our home here. Again, we're at 220 Islesbrook Parkway. Now from the outside, it looks like a 2-car garage, but this is actually a 3-car tandem garage inside, so you have lots of storage and parking space here in the garage. Beautifully well-maintained yard. And we are on a nice quiet street. I'll give you a little view of that here. Beautiful trees through the neighborhood. This is across the street. And here we go. Let's go head inside and take a look. Hi Lori, thanks for joining. So as we go through the front door here, you're going to notice that they have a very grand gallery style foyer. Very high ceilings, and you've got these beautiful large tiles that go all the way to the back of the home, and crown molding up above. To the left of the foyer, you have a very spacious formal dining room. And in the formal dining room, you have the beautiful hardwood floors. You also have a double tray ceiling with crown molding on each layer. And you have access to the kitchen through here. And you've got this beautiful big window with plantation shutters that bring in lots of natural light here. Then on the other side of the foyer is your flex room that we talked about at the beginning. The previous owners did use this as an office, but again, you could use this for lots of different things. There is a closet there in the corner and a nice window with plantation shutters again. And you could add French doors here if you wanted to make sure that this room was closed off and a little more private. And by adding those doors, this room would also count as a bedroom. So that would give you a total of 6 bedrooms if you were to do that, which is amazing. So as you continue down from the foyer, the first hallway you come to here is going to give you several of your secondary bedrooms, as well as your first guest bathroom, which has double vanity. And you've got the shower and tub combo in here. And all the way through this hallway with the bathrooms and the bedrooms is this beautiful big tile that continues throughout. And the crown molding continues throughout. And at the end of this hallway, you have 2 really nice size linen closets for storage, so lots of storage here. And here is your first bedroom. And this bedroom Has a nice size walk-in closet. Love that for sure. And then right across from this bedroom is another bedroom. So here's bedroom 2. And you'll notice these plantation shutters continue throughout the entire home. And you've got a nice size walk-in closet in this one as well. Yes, you're right, Fergus. There's lots of great storage here. We can all appreciate that. And that's the end of this hallway. So now we'll head back to our foyer area. So here's your front door, just to give you your bearings. Formal dining room, which we've already looked at. And now we're gonna head back to the family room. And I love the high ceilings in this house. It just gives it such a spacious feel. And the bank of windows on the back of this family room just gives you tons of natural light. And you've got the tile continuing through here, which is great. Now you'll notice in that back corner, there's a huge sunroom back there. So we will take a closer look at that in a bit. Then you've got the stairs that lead up to a huge bonus room with its own private bath up there. And then that hallway next to the stairs is another bedroom with its own ensuite bath, which we will also take a look at. But right now we want to check out the kitchen. This is a gorgeous kitchen. It's very open, and it's like a chef's gourmet style kitchen for sure. You've got granite countertops. You've got upgraded cabinets with crown molding added to the top. Stainless appliances. You've got this really nice shell stone backsplash that complements the granite. And you've got double ovens, which really comes in handy with the holidays being right around the corner. That way you can keep everything warm and ready to go. Get a picture here of this side of the island as well for you. We do have a rain soft water softener with reverse osmosis system. So that's what you're seeing here is the filtered drinking water for your family. And check out the view from the kitchen here. It's just so nice and open to this very large family room. If you have big furniture or a big family and need this space, you will feel very comfortable here. And then this is your breakfast area. You have this really awesome breakfast serving station. So it gives you lots of great extra countertop and cabinet space. And I have my computer set up over there so we can take a look at some of the amenities, which I might go ahead and do right now if I can get it logged on. So let me flip this camera around and see how well I can show you the amenities in this neighborhood. This is a master planned community in Durbin Crossing. Let me flip the camera around here and show you what we got. So this is the main amenities center. You've got there's one of two actually. So this is the first amenities area. So you've got 2 pools, and this is the first one. Gives you a nice look. So you've got the area for lap swimming. There is a swim team here for the kids. And then you've got like more of a recreational swim area. And then the small one over here is for like the little kiddie pool. This building here on this side is a fitness center that overlooks the pool. And then you've got an area over here where you can rent out the clubhouse for parties. And then this gives you a view of the playground for the kids. Another view there. You've got basketball and lots of great parking, tennis courts, and you also have lots of different recreational fields here. If we can get you flipped back around. Yeah, there we go. All right, so as far as the amenities go here, there's a lot of amenities for all ages, very family friendly here. So you've got the 2 clubhouses, 2 pools. So there's another pool in addition to the one that I just showed you. And one of them has the big fun slide that goes round and round, so the kids love that. Also, we've got a baseball field that we weren't able to show you a picture of, so I wanted to make sure you knew that. And there's also a lacrosse field and multiple multi-function fields for the kids for different sports like soccer and football. So all of that is great to have here right in the neighborhood. There's also a school. It's a K-8 school right here in the neighborhood. So when you live here, super close for your kids to be able to either walk or ride their bike to school if you wanted them to, or if you're driving them, super, quick drive to get them there. It takes you probably all of 2 minutes. I make that drive myself because I live here in the neighborhood and I love it. So just wanted to share that. And also, while we're talking about the community, I wanted to share with you about our location here. So in St. Johns County, we are very close to the new 9B connector. So where this home is located, we're very easy access to anywhere you want to go with that new 9B connection. And we're also less than 5 minutes away from the new town center, the Durbin Town Center, which is going to be full of restaurants and stores, like shops. There's a movie theater, and so that's super convenient to have it right here, less than 5 minutes away. And I'm certainly enjoying it, and I know anyone else that's living here is going to enjoy that as well. So with that being said, we're going to continue our tour of the home. So let's flip this around again. All right, so we're still here in the family room. Now we're going to go check out this other secondary bedroom. So this is going to be bedroom number 4. And we have a linen closet here for storage. Actually, I think that's bigger than a linen closet. It goes all the way under the stairs. So it's a huge closet. And then this bedroom, which is, again, it's bedroom number 4 for us, also has the large tile and the shutter on the window. And you've got the ensuite bath. So how nice to have a private bath here for this bedroom. You've got the linen closet in here, and this particular bathroom has the stand-up shower feature. All right, so now we're gonna head across to the other side of the house. So this is a 3-way split bedroom floor plan. We're now headed to the other side where the master suite is located. Now the door straight ahead, this is a linen closet. And in the master bedroom, you've got the beautiful wood floors in here. You've got a really nice bank of big windows and the crown molding. It's a double crown molding in here and a vaulted ceiling. So you've got really high ceilings, lots of natural light. And this room is just huge. I don't know if you can really get a concept for it from the video. Maybe Lori could put the dimensions on the comment section for you so you can see really how big this is. It's just really spacious. And then one thing I love about this house is this gorgeous resort-style master bath. You are sure to love this bathroom. You've got his and her vanities. You've got the super shower, which is doorless, one less thing to clean. And then you have a garden tub with the tile step to get in. Love that. Absolutely beautiful. And the plantation shutters so that you can close the windows for privacy. And a huge walk-in closet, which we all love, right? Who doesn't like a big walk-in closet? And it wraps around here in the corner. All right, so now we'll head back to the family room. And we're gonna head to that sunroom that Lori just put the dimensions up for. So that sunroom is 12.5 by 10. This is a huge area and a great extra bonus space. You've got the door here that leads out to the lanai, which we will look at. The hardwood floors are carried through the sunroom. And you've got, again, these great big bank of windows on the back to bring in lots of natural light. And you could do so many things with a space like this. It's just super flexible depending on, your lifestyle and what you're looking for. I think the previous owners had this set up as a game room, which is a great idea. And now we'll head upstairs to the bonus room. Look at the beautiful stairs too. They're gorgeous. You've got the wood treads going all the way up. So that makes it a lot easier to keep it clean. There we go. So this bonus room upstairs is not counting as one of the bedrooms. This is a bonus space, true bonus. And it is spacious. So you got this loft area here. And then here is your bathroom. And you've got a nice linen closet here. And then you have a bedroom up here, which is a very nice size bedroom. We do have all the dimensions on these rooms, so if you have any questions about that, let us know and we can get them to you right away. And this also has a nice big walk-in closet. So big closets everywhere, which is great. So again, if you have any questions, definitely put them in the comments section and Lori will be happy to answer them for you. Yes, Nathan, you're so right. Walk-in closets galore. So now we will head to the backyard. Flip the camera around as I'm going down the stairs. So I hope you guys are enjoying the tour. This is 220 Islesbrook Parkway for anyone who is just now logging in. The home is listed at $518, and this is a 5-bedroom, 4-bath home, plus a flex space, plus a sunroom, plus a bonus room. So you have a lot of space here to do with. So I'm going to flip this around now so you can see the backyard. So you have a humongous covered lanai. Extremely spacious back here. You could do lots of furniture under this covered lanai. You could also screen it in if you wanted to. You've got a view of the lake on the side here. And then check out this nice sized backyard. Love that. It's not easy to find nice sized backyards in St. Johns County sometimes, so this is a great opportunity here. There's plenty of room to add a pool if you wanted to, and you have this beautiful wooded view in the back, so you feel nice and private back here. And that's pretty much, I think we've covered everything. Did I miss anything, Lori? Head back inside. So just to kind of recap, we are at 220 Islesbrook Parkway. And this home is listed at $518, 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, plus a bonus room, plus a sunroom, plus a flex space. And it's 3767 square feet. The home was built by Dries Homes in 2014. And something I didn't mention yet is the HOA and the CDD fees combined is $254 a month. And that includes all the amenities that I showed you earlier. So you got lots of great amenities here for the family. And you have the 3-car tandem garage. That's a big deal too, so don't forget about that. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me direct. My number is 904-333-1902, and I would be happy to help you with this home or any other home that you're interested in, and hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye, guys.